Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology designed to unlock the mysteries beneath the surface. The 5-thruster mini underwater drone. This isn't just a toy. It's a portable powerhouse built for serious underwater exploration, whether you're a hobbyist, a boater, or someone curious about what lies below. Right out of the box, you notice its compact size, measuring in at about 8.9 by 3.5 by 15 inches. It's designed for portability, making it easy to pack up and take to your favorite lake, river, or even the ocean. The bright yellow color makes it highly visible in the water, which is a practical touch. Inside the package, you'll find everything needed to get started. The drone itself, a wireless remote control for operation, the necessary battery, and even some screws, presumably for maintenance or attaching accessories, though the star is definitely the integrated camera system. The headline feature for Mini will be that camera. It boasts a 4K Ultra HD resolution, promising breathtaking underwater footage. Imagine capturing the vibrant colors of a coral reef, the intricate details of marine life, or the structure of a sunken object with stunning clarity. This isn't standard definition. This is professional-grade video quality packed into a mini drone. But a great camera is only useful if you can get it where you need it. That's where the 5 thrusters come into play. Unlike simpler drones with fewer propulsion points, this model utilizes 5 thrusters to provide superior maneuverability and stability in the water. This means it can move forward, backward, up, down, and even strafe sideways with precision. Navigating currents or tight spaces becomes much more manageable, allowing the operator to position the camera exactly where they want it for that perfect shot or inspection. The stability is crucial for getting steady, usable footage, especially in dynamic underwater environments. Controlling this drone is designed to be intuitive, thanks to the easy-to-use wireless controller. This allows the operator to stay comfortable on the surface while guiding the drone through the depths. The wireless connection simplifies the setup and operation process, making it accessible even for those new to underwater robotics. One of the most impressive specifications is the 100-meter tether. This provides an extensive exploration depth, allowing the drone to reach significant depths that would be impossible or dangerous for a human diver. Whether you're inspecting deep moorings, searching for lost items, or simply exploring deeper parts of a body of water, that 100-meter range opens up a vast new territory. The tether also serves as the communication link and likely provides power, ensuring a reliable connection even at maximum depth. Powering these explorations is a long-lasting battery. While specific run times can vary based on usage and conditions, the promise of extended battery life means you can spend more time exploring and less time worrying about needing to recharge. This is essential for conducting thorough inspections or capturing lengthy video sequences. Overall, the 5-thruster mini underwater drone from Selvia, despite being listed under a generic brand, appears to be a robust and capable tool for underwater exploration. Its combination of a high-resolution 4K camera, impressive 100-meter depth capability, 5-thruster maneuverability, and user-friendly controls makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to see what's happening beneath the surface. It's portable, powerful, and seems ready to tackle a variety of underwater tasks, from casual observation to more serious inspection work.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.